So, hello everyone. Today I'm here with episode number 2, part 2 of derivatives, class 11. Okay, so in our previous episode or part, we have done up to this. We have taken the simple concept of derivative, okay, increment, and we have derived this formula, right? This formula was derived. So today, actually, first principle is this, but the methods of solving the given function or taking the derivative of the given function are different, may be different. Like if I have to do by this method, then it's also correct, and I have to do by the method that I have applied in previous video, that's also correct. So today I'll be doing some problems related to this first principle, okay? This first principle by this formula and the method that I have applied in my previous video, both, okay? So actually the first one, is find the derivative of okay, so find the derivative of 3x square by first principle. Okay, so I'll be doing it 3x, oh sorry man, sorry, 3x square. Okay, so let so y is equals to 3x square be the function y is equals to 3x square be the function, then y plus del y equals to 3x plus del x whole square. Okay, so now here I'll write something. Okay, so 1 minute, where delta x and delta y are the increments in x and y respectively. Okay, so this is the simple one. Okay, this will be writing here. So where delta x and delta y are the increment in x and y respectively, and this one can be simplified as 3 times x square plus 2 times del x dot x plus delta x whole square. Okay, so this can be written multiplying by 3 3x square plus 6 times delta x times x plus 3 del x whole square. Okay, so now we'll be subtracting the first equation. Okay, so let it be equation I, and this will be equation second. Okay, equation I and equation second. We'll be subtracting equation I and I. Okay, so this will be doing, so I'll write directly, or I can write, okay, y plus delta y minus y equals to 3x square plus 6 delta x dot x plus 3 delta x minus 3, oh no, three x squared. Okay, so now the plus 3x square and minus 3x square get cancelled out, and y and plus y get cancelled out. So now del y equals to 6 delta x times x plus 3 times delta x whole square. Okay, so we can take common delta y equals to delta x times 6x plus 3 delta x. Okay, so this can be taken as common, and delta x will go here. Okay, so y by delta x equals to 6x plus 3 delta x. After this, I think there is not any confusion. So now we'll be taking limit. So taking limit delta x tends to 0. Okay, So if this is taken as limit, then so in both side, right? In both sides. Okay, so in the left hand side it will be limit delta x tends to 0 del y over del x. Okay, so this will be equal to limit, oh no, it's limit del x tends to 0 6x plus 3 delta x. Okay, so please you people remember, so if limit to 0 dy over delta y over delta x is there, then it will be transforming into over dx equals to, here we put the limit, so 6x, hence the derivative is 6x. Okay, I think there is any confusion. So this is actually the method. Okay, so if we apply the formula, then it will be very small, the process will be very small, but you people have to remember the formula. Okay, if you have to apply the formula, then okay, so briefly I will be telling this. Okay, so
first y is equals 3x, we are relating the equation y is equals 3x square.
so here fx is equals to 3x square and fx plus del x is equals to 3x plus del x whole square, where del x is the increment in x respectively, and this fx represents y, so fx plus del x will represent y plus del y. Okay, so these all are equal. This all are equal. So now we know, applying formula or by definition, dy over dx equals to limit del x tends to 0 and f x plus del x plus del x minus fx whole divided by del x. Sorry, del x. Okay, so now dy over dx will be limit del x tends to 0. fx plus del x is 3 times x plus del x whole square, right? 3 times x plus del x whole square minus fx will be 3x square. Okay, whole divided by del x. Okay, so dy over dx will be limit del x tends to 0 and 3 x square plus 2x dot del x plus del x whole square. Okay, so we are applying the formula of a plus b whole square. So 3x square whole by del x. Okay, so now so dy over dx equals to limit of del x tends to 0, 3x square plus 6 delta x dot x plus 3 delta x whole square minus 3x square, so whole by del x. Okay, so 3x square and 3x square cancel out, so here limit del x tends to 0 and 6 delta x dot x plus 3 delta x whole square. So here we will take delta x common and it will be it will be cutting the delta x in the denominator, and the remaining expression is 6x plus 3 delta x. Now putting the limit, we will get 6x. Okay, so here the formula is this much, and another easy and long process is this. Okay, so okay everyone, so this much for today. In our next episode, we will be deriving or taking the derivatives of some algebraic functions by first principle and limit theorems. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you for today.